Hello everybody, I am Little Al, and today I'm going to be playing some Among Us with the new rules and stuff update. I think this is going to be really fun, and I'm going to real quick show you the new rules. So, I'm almost guaranteeing that there's going to be one rule that I'm not going to be showing you, and that is the Guardian Angel, because the Guardian Angel is now buggy. So what happens is, if you're dead, you have a chance to become the Guardian Angel, and you can protect people for a few seconds. So that means that if the imposter tries to kill them, they fail at doing so. But if the cooldown is up, then the imposter will be able to kill them. So of course we have normal crewmate, normal imposter. We have the scientist, which is just, you can look at vitals at any time, no matter where you are, what map you're on. But you only have a limit to how long you can look at it. And that is told by a little bar in the top right that shows you like a battery charge. However, if you do a task, that battery charge, as far as I know, is completely refilled. The other one, number two, we got 3 new crewmate roles and a new imposter role. So we have the engineer, which is just, you can stay in the vents for a limited amount of time. And you can see how much longer you have to stay in the vent based off of how much your vent button is colored. And if it starts saying 3, 2, 1, like this, and shaking, then that means you're about to pop out of the vent. And then you have a cooldown on it also. And then the final one is the brand new Shapeshifter, which you can probably guess what this does. The Shapeshifter allows you to become any living crewmate. So for example, if I were to do this, see, now I'm walking around as another person. And then your shift button will do the same thing as your it'll do the same thing as the vent button does for engineer. And of course this imposter can still vent. And you have a cooldown on shift as well. And another thing is, in the advanced settings, you can make it so that when the shapeshifter shifts, they leave behind evidence of when they shifted. And then if I report the body right here, so any living crewmate or any crewmate that has a body on the ground. So now if I skip here, I guess they decided to vote out black and he decided to go with them. Then that means I can now not shift into blue or black because they are both dead and their bodies are not existent anymore. And that is on every map now. So we are going to be playing a little bit on the Europe server because, goodness, the North American server is malfunctioning a little bit. I'm also going to show you every map because I think it's going to be fun. This is very fast, but thankfully this is going to be my only airship game. Because I despise airship with a passion. So, yeah, this is going to be our only airship game, and then we switch immediately to Mira. And on this game, I get crewmate again. Cool. But it's not, so you get to see a special role. Records. Okay. Is it this task? Yeah. So yeah, there's probably not going to be a lot of commentary, but they also added a new level up system, which means when you win or lose, you'll get an amount of XP, which will level you up. I'm dead now. When you level up, you'll gain, when you're getting XP, you're getting beans and Cosmicube points. Cosmicubes are like these things that you can unlock collectibles from, and you can buy things with beans in the shop. Yeah, I'll show you that after this. So, We'll see what they say. Wow, this is 15 seconds of voting time. By the way, it is this guy here. It is white. Yeah. I'm pretty sure white killed me. So, win or lose, we will be leveling up, getting beans, and getting Cosmicube points. I'm going to keep doing my tasks, thus to help the crewmates. And I still have my ability as the... yeah, I still have my ability as the engineer, but... it's not really that useful because I'm dead anyway, so it doesn't really matter because I can't kill anybody. Okay, so he killed black. So that means he needs one more kill now and then he wins. I have 2 more tasks left. Oh, we got perfect wires. Okay. I don't think we're gonna win, but still, perfect wires are a good omen. As I was saying. Because perfect wires are very hard to come by. And people always say, like, perfect wires are good luck. Yep, there we go. They got him. Alright, good games. So now you'll see when it says victory, it'll say, yeah, he was. Oh, okay, I guess he had been disguising as him the whole time. That makes sense. I just never saw it. Okay, but as you saw, I got little pumpkins and I got beans. So if I come to the shop here, I can purchase these kinds of things with the beans. And with the pumpkin thing, I can come to here, to this tree Cosmicube, and I can get myself some, I can get myself a hat or something. I've also almost finished this Cosmicube, so we're gonna get the Murky Werewolf hat, and then all I need now is 100 more, 100 total more, and then I can get the Mohawk, which is purple-green. And you can also have a whole lot. I'm going to show you my other character that I made for Among Us. This is based off of a spirit from Ori and the Blind Forest, or just the Ori series in general. But basically, this is what it looks like. Oh, that's crew color. I want white. There we go. So now we're going to move on to the Mira HQ, because that is more fun by default than Airship. I guess we'll play Purple Ori for now. Purple again, yay. Okay, this might be a long game. It's on Mira, it's a fun map. Play Mira, and then we'll play Skilled, and then we'll probably stay on Polus for the rest of the game, or for the rest of the video. Hopefully we can get another special role, like a big lobby, or maybe even imposter. I think that would be fun. He says as he gets crewed on a 3 imposter game and probably doesn't have a special role. Yep, okay. Yeah, I didn't really expect much, huh? I'm just saying it'd be nice if I can get some kind of special role. I'm going to be doing some gentle commentating. As in, oh, found a body. Decontamination. I think Okay, yeah. So, if you just let me know in chat if you saw, or just let me know in the comments down below if you saw. Yeah, let me know down in the comments below if you saw Veteran going on YouTube, whatever that was. I'm not going to respond to him asking if I have Discord, because I would be using Discord, but, I would be using Discord, but I don't have the ability to record while I'm recording, because I can't record calls, because it won't record my audio, and Google Play Services physically will not let me, so. No, Google, I don't want Google right now. Okay, so they didn't vote Veteran, they voted me for some reason. Sorry, I'm trying to close my window. We're gonna go into storage up here to grab that water can. And we're gonna come over here. B1. To get Dawn Dew. Definitely not Mountain Dew. That was kinda close. We had two people there anyway, but that was close. Mia killed Mia. Oh, shifter. Hold on. Okay. So, I'm gonna vote Veteran because I forgot to last time, and I'm pretty sure it is Veteran. Because I'm almost 100% sure I saw him going up or up towards decontamination. So yeah, I think that. Yeah, but let me know, like, what you guys want me to play, like, later. I have a few games that I play, not many. But I like recording, it's just I don't do it often because I'm a lazy person, to be fair. And I play all the time on, like, Discord calls on Among Us. Because it's crazy fun. Please vote. Alright, now Veteran knows how it feels to vote on his name. Okay. I got this. I probably can't play anymore, can I? Come on, game. Alright, I'm just gonna cut to when I manage to get into a game. So just give me a little bit here. There we go, I managed to do it. Okay. That was honestly quite quick. I will still be cutting, but that was honestly very quick. I'll be a blue, yeah. We'll find an outfit on the way. I think this is a good outfit for blue. I think this looks cool. Just making Kaposi's in the way. But yeah, I might get disconnected sometimes. And by the way, you guys saw Mira, so therefore we're not going back to Mira, possibly. Unless I want to, I don't know. But yeah, I have finished the Polis and Mira Cosmicubes. I just need to finish Treat and the other 3. See if I can possibly find a better hat. Kind of like that look. Oh, I forgot about Frozen Body. Hold on. There we go. That's much better. I like Frozen Body. So we got no shapeshifter, we got 3 angels, which is not really a good sign. We have a chance to have a scientist, and a chance to have 2 engineers. He said take a video. I don't think he knows that I'm actually straight up taking a video. Yeah, there are some outfits that just make sense for the color, like black or red. The outfit that makes sense is the Magma outfit. Okay, I really wish people would stop. Okay, anyway. We got 13. I think this is comfortable start on. Yeah, there we go. Stop leading the game. Please let us play the game. Thank you. Okay. Let's see. I doubt I'm gonna get any kind of imposter. I know I'm gonna get imposter. I doubt I'm gonna get Earl. I'm probably gonna get crewmate. Yep. Crewmate. Normal crewmate. Yep. Sounds swell. Oh, but we got God wires. Okay. I'm comfortable now. I feel more comfortable. I am normal crewmate, but then again, I'm also God. Kinda hope I die soon, because then I might get Angel. Fortunate part about getting Angel is I might accidentally get somebody banned. Reactor, okay. I'm gonna finish this download. Gonna do stabilize searing. Then I'll start heading over there. I'm probably okay. Yeah, I didn't think I'd be getting over there, so if it wasn't done, then we were gonna probably die. I couldn't get over there. I didn't think I would have had time to get over there. Now, I don't think anybody, except for the imposters, know that there is no shifter. So that means, if you see somebody killed, then that means they killed them. I want to let him run for a minute, so that he doesn't think I'm following him. first wire being God Wire, I think I'm pretty comfortable with our chances right now. Yeah, I'm gonna finish this task, and then I'm gonna call meeting. I'm a guardian angel now. Let's go. Yeah, I said I wanted to get a roll. I said I didn't think I'd get a roll, and lo and behold, I got a roll. Sorry, he says. Yeah, it's Red and someone else. Red and who? That's what I'm asking now. In this game, everyone knows. Okay. So yeah, they're getting red out. Oh, dude. Brown. Okay. He left. So that means game's ended. Yep, game's over. Because he said it was brown. And he said it was brown. And brown left. Yeah. I rolled up. Oh, I can finish this Cosmicube now. Hold on. Dude, that's mean. Okay, I finished the Cosmicube now. I finished 3 Cosmicubes officially. We're going to move on to the airship Cosmicube. Wait, I got white. Oh, I can go spirit. Hold on. Am I still white? I am brown. So I'm gonna switch back to blue. Because there is a white. Oh wait, that was the that was that game. Okay, we're switching now. Hollis, best map in the game. By like a long shot. Oh gosh. Oh gosh. Okay. Yeah, that's fine. Actually, wait, this is 3 imposter. I'm gonna leave. Here. We'll go for 2 imposter. Wait, can I get white? I actually got white, okay. So now I can go full spirit. Let's go. I think that's crew color. I want impressive white. No skin. UFO. Blush. There we go. LOL. But yeah, I think this is going to be fun. And I have also finished some Cosmicubes. I have 2 more, or 3 more now. And then, those are also the last 3 Cosmicubes, also. So that means I finished half of the total ones. Which is cool. I'll probably play like 1 or 2 matches on this and then go to bed. Yeah, some cutting to do too. So we will have every roll with 100% chance, but 2 Guardian Angels. Okay, sounds fun. We just got 3 people immediately. I don't think we should have more angels because what I've learned is that angels are quite glitchy. And it's funny because it's like, I got Scientist my first game on Airship, yeah, but like, I also got Guardian Angel, which is the one role I never expected to get. See, I'm mildly annoyed. Please start the video game. Was the... Why? What is the point? Why was I kicked? Now I can only join this guy's lobby. Game, don't do this to me. This is gonna be a long day. King Fu might be AFK, I don't know. Maybe we will have a Bulls game. No, wait, hold on. Come on, game. Don't give me Socket Edition, come on. Do not give me Socket Edition. Do not give me Disconnect. There we go. Yes! Got Sam's lobby. We're starting. We have a 50% chance for every roll. Guardian Angel at 20%. I think having Guardian Angel at 20 is honestly pretty good. Because if we have maximum chance Guardian Angel, then it's kind of hard. Okay. Let me guess, no special roll. Cool. Okay. Well, we'll try to make the most out of this then. And the host left. Sick. And that means I'm pretty sure Sonic.exe is the third. Alright, so Banana is now clear. Because he's doing Medway Scan. I don't care about batteries at 15%. Oh, I have asteroids. Someone should be able to see this. Playing a little laser game. There we go. Oh. Well, that's quite unfortunate. Oh, I just now realized I have both of the waiting tasks. That's annoying. I would have cleared Dirtlex too, I just now realized. I'm gonna leave and then I'm gonna join a different game because I want to play because it's a YouTube video. And there's a random lobby, so like, heck yeah. I'm leaving this lobby and going to that. And that has 3 people in it. Here we go. Dream. That's funny. Yeah, this was like a funny look. I think it looks cool, like the white with the horns and the face mask. I think it looks cool, but then there's the blush, so you know it's two characters put together. Mm. I'm going to cut to when the game starts. If the game does start. If the game doesn't start, then I'm either cutting to when I decide to leave, or I'm ending the video here, so this is where the cut is going to be. If it is not cut here, then I hope you all enjoyed the video. Never mind, the game is starting. Well, then never mind, I'm probably not going to cut then. Yo, I got crewmate again. That's sick. I got default crewmate again. Yeah, he was spam clicking before the game even started. This guy here. I accidentally hit the kill button in the loading screen. Yeah, you can do that. Goodbye. Oh, okay. There he goes. I'm just gonna sit here, wait for people. Please. Please watch me mid base scan. Help. Please, somebody watch me mid base scan. I have mid base scan, I have mid base scan, I have mid base scan. Okay, canisters. Oh, 2 canisters. Right here. This is a loudish task. I never got to finish it. That was a double kill. But we know we have an imposter out. Okay. Hold on. Yeah, I think we do 50-50 here. If it's not Joke, then it's Goblin. Yeah. Okay. I don't know how to commentate because I'm not very good at this. like whole YouTubing thing, but I'm trying my hardest. Now, was he an imposter? He was. Okay, we're good. We're good. Level up. Multiply it by 3 and by 1.5. Okay. 100 airship pods. Well, I think with that, I am going to end the video. So, thank you all so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this lame gameplay, and I will hopefully see you guys in another video of more lame gameplay. Alright, see you guys later.